Hey, what's up guys, I'm Amani.L and today we will be taking a look at my VP9 upgrades. Now, this video is surely being demonetized, so please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment and let me know where you guys are watching from. To get started, we're going to go ahead and do a safety check. We're going to make sure that there is no munitions in the firearm or around it and keep a clean and safe work environment. Next, it's time to disassemble. I'm going to take down the takedown lever and let the slide come off. We will remove the threaded SilencerCo barrel, which is our first essential upgrade. With the barrel removed, let's take a look at the bottom of the slide. Using a narrow tool, I'm using a punch. Find the little plastic sleeve and push down on it. This will take tension away and allow the striker cap to come off. Now that you have the striker assembly out, you can use a gunsmith block or the rear of your slide to free the firing pin. I'm going to be using the rear of my slide. And so what I'm doing is just depressing this spring and removing these couplers. Be sure to keep those couplers nearby. I'm using the fire pin to remove a spring that is within the sleeve. Now with the plastic sleeve removed, we will reassemble in reverse, adding the new all gold enhanced sleeve. This aluminum part replaces the factory plastic sleeve. In theory, it ups the strength of the support sleeve while still maintaining the latest fashion statement. Next upgrade is the enhanced slide cap. This is also aluminum and replaces the factory plastic cap in its unnecessary striker viewing window. My aim with the enhanced slide cap is to prevent as much debris as possible from entering the firearm. To the workbench. So this is my workbench where we'll be doing our final upgrade. That is night sights. Using a hammer and a nylon rod, I'll bang out the OG sights. Now with the sights removed, we can see that on the top of the slide there's like a little ribbon. We're going to use that ribbon to pretty much realign our new sights onto the frame of the firearm. To avoid galling, I'm going to apply some 3-in-1 oil on where the slide and sight meet. I picked up some true night sights to replace the photoluminescent standard sights. I got TRUGLO and TFX Pro titanium and fiber optic sights off of Reddit gundeals for about $67 shipped. Pretty good deal. Shout out to Reddit. Now it's time to inspect my work. Make sure that is as aligned as I can have it. And it's okay if it's not perfect. I'm going to take it to the range and make sure that it gets up there. Now I'm going to use some red Loctite, blue Loctite to go ahead and fasten down the rear sight. Now tell me she's not pretty. Oh yeah, she ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do me a favor. You guys have watched this whole video through. Thank you so much. I ask only one other thing from you guys. Please drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this video and let me know where you guys are watching from. Please do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help me and motivate me to actually create more of this content. You guys have a good one and enjoy life.